So there are a lot of defenses to domestic battery, but I'm going to talk about three of them. We're going to talk about self-defense, the victim's lying, and it was an accident. These are the kind of three options, and sometimes they go together, but let's talk about each. So a battery, just to be clear, a battery is a crime where the state is alleging that you have touched another person against their will. That's the crime of battery. It doesn't require an injury or anything of that nature. So if you were defending yourself and that's why you struck that other person, right? So your girlfriend comes, she's mad at you about something, she attacks you. She actually goes to grab you, she's pushing you, she's hitting you, and in reaction to that, you push her. Well, you may have committed a battery, but you were defending yourself, and so that would be a complete defense. If a jury believed that's why you did it, that would be a complete defense to the crime of battery. That's self-defense. You also could argue that it was an accidental touching, right? So, yeah, I bumped into her as I was walking into the bedroom, but I wasn't trying to hit her. I didn't intentionally strike her. It was an accident. Again, that would be a crime negating one of the elements, intent, the intentional act of hitting someone. So that would be a defense to domestic battery as well. And then the third one is that she's lying, she's making it up. It never actually happened. There was no touching at all. And this comes up a lot because domestic battery accusations typically come up in a situation where it's he said, she said. There's no witness, there's no injury, there's just she says that it happened and he says that it didn't. And so when we're able to attack the credibility of the accuser and show a jury that that person may not be entirely honest about what happened, that can be a complete defense to the crime of domestic battery as well. I'm Scott Berry with Scott Berry Law, and I'm defending your freedom one client at a time.